Sa basic protocol, di ba, ang ano natin is 1 to 2 minutes lang itong spine. Pero pag cancer patients, dagdagan nyo, gawin yung 15 minutes itong spine. Ano? Kasi nandiyan na marami nating stem cells nang gagaling. So, di ba, yung stem cells ang parang magre-replace ulit doon sa cancer cells niya. Okay. So, ngayon, since ang problema niya is lung cancer, so itutok mo doon sa yung kung left or right lang niya, doon itutok ng another 15 minutes, 2 times a day. So, lagi kong sinasabi, pwede namang yung 15 minutes is minimum. Pero kung tolerate ng pasyente, pwede nyo gawing 30 minutes per session. Aside from the basic protocol, kaya lang, pag gagamitin natin yung classic, kung naka 20 minutes ka na dito, so 15 minutes to, so 35 minutes yun. Kasi kung magiging 30, medyo sobra ka na. So, wala namang problema kung yung mo nang naka-on yung machine mo, yung device, i-turn off mo ng 5 minutes, then continue again blowing hanggang maano mo yung total ng 30 minutes. So, ganun ang gawin mo. Sa puso, okay din lang. Okay lang i-blow mo yung heart area niya.
All right.
Another
Thank
5
you, Doc.
to
10.
Amazing. We've got the last one here. This was 2 weeks ago. The priest already came to the house to offer the soul of this dying lady. As you can see, the priest already prayed. And for some reason, the son said, hey, I have a device. Why don't we try blowing and using this device on our grandmother? All right. They started blowing it for hours and hours. Guess what? After several hours, she's back to life. Look at her. Look at her. She started dancing. All right. There's a phone with the music. She started dancing. And this is to show you guys that this device can truly help even with this state. Until today, she's still alive. Until today, she's still alive. This is such an amazing result. iTerracare is really giving back that cells, that's energy, giving back the life.
I'm Genoveva Quiñones, 98 years old, living in Cabalaw Union, Philippines. I was diagnosed having bursitis, osteoarthritis, severe allergies, cataracts, and maybe some more. So I cannot function anymore. I stayed in bed and I said, God, it's my time. I'm 98 years old. I have to wait. I'm coming home. But before I slept, I called my daughter Rosalina and told my situation. And she said, no, Mama, I'll send you a doctor. And the following day, he sent his son, and he showed me, Lula, I have a magic wand for you. So I said, okay. And she explained to me about iTerracare and did it on my body. And then he left. I slept the whole day. So after my meal, she did it to me again. I slept again the whole night. The following day, why is it that I'm getting weaker? I'm always sleeping and sleeping. I called Rosalina. And she said, Mama, your body is rejuvenating. Keep on sleeping, and when you will wake up, you will be strong. And I did. I had been sleeping in doing iTerracare twice a day. The fourth day, my God, I said, what a miracle. I can lift up my hand. No more bursitis. My arthritis, painful hips and lower extremities, it's gone. My swelling feet and itchy body, they're all gone. And I am alone in my room, so I stood up. I said, is it a miracle? And then I started jumping, marching, and whatever I do now. Oh, it's a miracle. I am changed. Now I can do my duties. So I started cooking, washing my own clothes and everything. I did my usual home chores, and until now I am strong. And I do the iTerracare twice a day myself.
Hi everyone, good morning.
more earnings. Hello, Philippines. I was so blessed and grateful to be a part of this company, Pride Philippines. Thank you so much for all the support that you're extending to us. My name is Maribel Gripon Lopez, and 15 years OFW in Saudi Arabia. Bago ko po nakilala sa Iteracare, year 2021 po, I was diagnosed with critical cancer. Yun po yung tipong sobrang hirap. Siyempre, sobrang lungkot. Parang bumagsak ang langit at lupa sa'yo. Pero sabi nga sa lahat ng blessing na binigay sa'yo ng Ama, this is just a small cancer lang to para ikalungkot mo. So, still a blessing. Hindi naman sa'yo siya ibibigay kung hindi para sa'yo eh. So, yun yung faith namin. This is still a blessing and may reason kung bakit ka nagkaroon ng cancer. So, isang blessing doon, kailangan ng pag-ingatan ng katawan mo, alagaan mo ang pamilya mo, maging healthy kayo. Then, from that then, nag-chemo, nag-radiation po ako. So, noong 2022, it was July, nakaramdam po ako ng super pain dito. Stomach pain, vomiting. So, talagang hindi naman po kami nag-stop ng asawa ko. Lahat ng food supplement, herbal, iniinom po namin. Lahat na nakita po namin nakakagaling sa cancer, kinatry po namin. Until one time po, nakita ko po sa isang post, kasi sumasali po kami sa mga post po ng FB, na meron daw po yung nanay niya may cancer. 2 weeks na lang daw po binigay ng doktor kasi hindi na kumakain, hindi na nagpo-poops. Winand lang po nila daw yung nanay niya. Okay na raw po yung nanay niya, nakakakain na, nakaka-poops na. So, nakakagawa na, kumbaga, naging maayos yung nanay. Sabi ko, why not gamitin ko to, no? So, sinearch ko po siya, ni-research ko po siya. So, meron po ako nakitang isang FB group. Akala ko po isang Kanu yung sasagot sa akin. Isang Sir Margo po pala yung sasagot sa akin. Shout out po, Sir Margo. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng support nyo. Sobrang blessed po kami sa dami na makikilala namin sa FB. Bakit nga ba si Sir Margo? Kasi, siya po yung nagbigay na support sa amin. And then, nakilala namin si Ma'am Jazz, si Sir Christian. Thank you so much po. Sila po yung nag-encourage sa amin to reach the star. Thank you so much, ma'am. And then, yan nga po, natanggap ko si Iteracare noong October 5, the same day, noong 2021, kung kailan ako inoperahan na sinabi ko, this is the day na binless sa akin ng Ama, yung October 5 na yon. So, this is another blessing, the Iteracare noong October 5. Dumaglanded po siya dito sa Saudi Arabia na handover sa akin. Ginamit ko po siya talaga. So, I was amazed dahil po paggamit ko po sa kanya, instantly nawala yung pain ko. Kasi lagi po ako sa ER. Wala pong month na hindi ako nagpunta ng ER because of my pain. Meron pa akong weekly, meron every other week. So talaga pong lagi ako nasa ER. Since October 5, never po ako nagpunta ng ER. So, ang nangyari, pati yung sa asawa ko, meron po siyang 2 years na iniinda rito, frozen shoulder siya, di namin, pinakairo pa po namin siya, 2.5 ata per session yon. So, nagulat kami in 2 days, nataas niya na po yung kamay niya. So, sabi na, wow, sulit na itong Iteracare. That time is only 16,000 pesos. So, sabi namin dito pa lang matanggal yung pain. Sa isang cancer patient po kasi super hirap po talaga ng may pain. So, yun, hindi po ako umiinom ng pain reliever. Yung asawa ko po, gumaling po yung frozen shoulder. So, shinare ko po siya sa friend ko. Thank you to Sir Edgar and Ma'am Lisa. Kasi sila po yung nag-challenge din po ng product kasi marami rin pong naggamot po sa kanila. So, nagtuloy-tuloy po namin challenge yung product. Actually, ako po is healing journey lang po ang gusto. Ma-heal lang po ako, mawala yung pain ko. That's enough for me. Sabi ko, malaking bagay sa akin yan, malaking biyaya sa akin yan. But dahil nga po yung puso nyo, gusto nyo tumulong, kung may nakita kang pain, di po siya makalakad. Oh, Iteracare natin yan, blow natin yan. Masakit ang ngipin, frozen shoulder, back pain, lahat na po ng pain. So, ang nangyari po, hindi po kami nagbenta dito sa Saudi Arabia. Challenge lang po namin sila. Pinakita namin how amazing is the product. So, sila po yung nagsasabi, how can I get this product? How can I buy this product? Yung po nagtuloy-tuloy, nakikisuyo kami Sir Margo, paki-DHL po. Hanggang sa, alam niyo po ba, na-reach namin yung 2-star. Thank you so much. Kasi hindi po namin naakalang ma-reach po namin yan. Iyan po yung time na nasa treatment po ako. Challenge ko rin po sa Iteracare dahil in-accept po namin yung treatment na binigay sa akin ng hospital na mag-radiation ako and mag-chemotherapy ako. Sobrang thank you po sa device na to dahil hindi naman po talaga ako nanghina. Actually, instead magpo-fall po yung hair ko. dati po kasi nag-fall yung hair ko, pero hindi naman po ganun kadami. Pero ngayon po nagtubuan po siya. So, yun pa lang po is really amazing po. Tapos po yung mga vein ko po na nawawala siya, na hindi nahihirapan po silang. So, pag pupunta po ako nag-chemo, ibublow ko po siya talaga. Para po, yun, hindi po sila nahihirapan sa akin. Pag nanginginig po ng konti yung tuhod ko, inom lang po ako ng charged water, nawawala na po siya. So, really amazing. Sobrang ang dami pong naitulong sa akin ng product. So, wala po, parang ang ganti na lang po namin is to share po sa other. Tapos hanggang sa hindi po intention na gawing negosyo, gawing business, nagulat na lang po kami na si company po pala, ang dami po palang binibigay ng mga bonuses and everything. So, kami po, parang is another blessing po kasi alam niyo naman po, ang isang OFW, wala po kami ibang pinapangarap kung hindi umuwi po dyan sa Pilipinas. Ito na po yung biyaya sa amin na eventually uuwi po kami ng Pilipinas. Dala po yung pangarap namin kasama si iTera Care. Kung babalik man po kami dito sa Saudi Arabia, as a business na lang po, as isi-share po natin yung blessing natin sa buong Saudi Arabia. Yun po yung purpose ng pagbalik namin dito sa Saudi Arabia. Hopefully po, soon magawa po namin yan na makabalik na rin po kami sa Pilipinas. And yung healing journey ko po, lahat po ay magagawa ni iTera Care with our prayers po. Thank you so much. Ang sa akin lang po, marami pong mga pasyenteng nangangailangan sa atin na kagaya ko na may critical illness. Just keep on sharing po. Marami pong naghahanap sa atin. So, wag po tayo mag-alala lahat.
Bahay nyo, subukan mo lang. So, ginamit ko mga 1 week. Sabi ko, maganda na. Tapos, nung sinabi ko sa church, sa mother church namin, maganda yung effect ko. Yung ginawa ng aming pastor, sinabayaran. Bayaran na yan. Yung kalahati na ginagawa kay pastor, binayaran na nila yung remaining balance. At ito nga po, nung ginamit ko ng ginamit, halos yan ang nagpapatulog sa akin pag ako nakadapa, tapos binogo yung spine. Laking ginhawa at nararamdaman ko palakas ako ng palakas eh. Hanggang ngayon nga, nakabalik na ako sa court, nakakapag-basketball na ulit ako. Pero hindi talagang game. Shooting pa lang, dahan-dahan, baka mabigla eh. Pero napakalaki po ng naitulong ng product nito. Sabi ko nga, baka makapagbenta rin ako niyan dahil ako mismo yung buhay na patuloy. At siyempre, salamat din sa Panginoon. Ginamit niya yung product. Talagang siya talaga ang dahilan ng lahat na ito. Baka magiging ano rin ako yan eh, ahente. Balang araw, magka-fully recovered. Siguro, magandang magbenta niyan kasi ako mismo nga yung magpapatotoo. Ginamit ko yan. Ito, buhay na buhay, malakas. At salamat po si Pastor Tapan muli kasi pinagtiyagaan niya ako. Ayaw ko talagang kuhanin eh. Dahil nga sabi ko, gaya kanina ni Sir, ulit-ulit yung mahal. Talagang napakamahal. Kung nasubukan ko, ano pala, talagang mamahalin natin yung product.
Ano ba yung finding ng doktor sa inyo? Kaya ba advanced symptoms?
Ang finding ko ng doktor ay stage 4 adenocarcinoma. Parang blessed na eh. Parang 7 ratings. Ano lang, 7% ang ratings ng survival. Gano'n. Kaya, para nabuhayan ako ng loob.
Yung pain ba kapag sinusumpong yung pain na nakaliyak?
Grabe po, parang hinakalikot yung mga kalamanan sakit. Severe pain po. Kung i-grade po, 10, 0 to 10, 10. Talagang parang
Nakakatulog ba kayo paano pagtulog nyo kapag sinusumpong kayo?
Nakakagilid lang po. Hindi ako dahil meron nga akong tumutan sa may likuran, sa may bandang po. Ngayon, nakatulog na ako ng nakapisaya. Dahil parang lumit na rin siya. Hindi ko na siya nararamdaman. Kaya, tinera ko na ng tinera ng doktora.
Then mamaya, meron kang regalo. Okay. Okay, so by the way, yun po yung sabi nga natin, nabuhay. Try to imagine short period of time. 7% na lang yung survival rate. But now, actually, makikita nyo before yung picture niya talagang yung buto talaga na, yung buto na wala nang laman. Pero ngayon po, nakita nyo naman, talagang grabe. Okay, thank you so much.
I want to introduce you a little more about this magic wand. I call it the redmagicwand.com. And basically it is a blower, like a hair dryer, and it has this crystal in here. It's called the terahertz that produces terahertz wavelength. And if you don't know what the terahertz wavelength is, you definitely want to do some homework, right? Do some of your research. Join our groups that will also show you or reveal to you the scientific method or the science behind this terahertz. So it blows this energy or this wave into your body, and what it does is it stimulates your good cells, all right? Even the stem cells gets all the way to the bones where the stem cells are laid dormant in there, and it activates them. And then what it does is it sends those cells to the rest of the body to fix or to heal, so your body can do that on its own to fix or heal any problems that you may have. All right? And not only does it do that to healthy cells, but for the bad cells, the cells that are damaged in your body, it detoxifies that. Okay? It gets rid of that. All right? Isn't that cool or what? So the technology behind this is just simply amazing, and the product itself is a lifesaver for me, because I got this about a month and a half ago, and I've used it every day, and just after a few sessions with my knees. Remember, I have really bad knees from playing a lot of racquetball. I play every day, especially out in the sun and out in the concrete walls. And I tore my meniscus on both knees, and I wasn't able to walk properly. It's just a struggle. Even putting on my pants in the morning, it's a struggle because I got to lift up my knees, right? So this here, what it does is it went in there, helps with the inflammation, it helps rebuild. I don't know what it does, but I know I can actually walk better, and I can start playing sports again. So this has been a lifesaver for me. Not only that, but I've done it all over my body, and I got tennis elbow on both elbows, and I got rid of that. Okay, and I sleep better. That's very important, because we all know that sleep is very healthy for you, and you need the proper amounts of sleep every single night. So, and in conjunction with sleep, I'm not waking up in the middle of the night anymore to use the bathroom. So uninterrupted sleep is the best sleep ever, and I love it. So that's just a few things. Plus my eyesight got better, because one day I was driving at night and I'm like, geez, it's kind of blurry. Took my glasses off, used my wife's glasses. Hers is less powerful than mine, and I was able to see clearly. So my eyes didn't get worse, it actually got better. So there's some other testimonials about the eyes in the testimonials group if you want to check that out. Back pain, like my wife has back pain and shoulder pain, from sitting and working all day long, right? On a chair, just sitting and not moving much. Well, this here helps alleviate that also. And this is not a medical device, okay? So there's no claims. I'm not making claims or anything like that. Basically what it does is it gets into your body, it blows the terahertz, the wave into your body, and it gets your body going, man. It gets it full of life. It moves the energy. I don't know what exactly what it does, but it just gets your body to do what it's supposed to do to make you healthy, okay?